Hello awesome viewers, welcome to AC Studio. This video would not be a very long video. I just want to tell everybody that I'm working on a new project right now. If you follow my Instagram or my community page, you know that I have officially announced that I have finished the Land Raider. People ask me on Instagram, what is your next project? And I said, look, I'm not going to do something as big as a Land Raider because it takes time. And I want to do something smaller. It can fly as well. And 2 weeks ago, I decided to embark on a new project, which is, as you can see here, the Land Speeder. I know some of you probably going to say, the Land Speeder is, superseded by now, and it is replaced by the Storm Speeder. But for me, Land Speeder is a really interesting, small kind of a vehicle and works really well with the figures. So I decided to do that first, to do something simple for now, and also do something that is traditional. It has been with us for many years, right? And the scale also works really well with the figure. It is small, so I can able to fit it onto the diorama as well. And again, I use 2mm thick mountboard and then 1mm thick paperboard to make the speeder. And you can see this is the latest progress of the speeder. I haven't put everything together as yet, and because I need to paint that individually. And you can see I make the exhaust, and that's how it looks like at the bottom. So you can see this 1mm thick paperboard and 2mm thick mountboard. Then you can see this is where you put the figure in there. So you can put the figure to put it in a sitting position, and then you put it inside there. Actually, you have to pull the backpack first, sorry, and then you put the figure in there, and then you put another figure in there as well on the other side. Pretty easy to put it in. Yep, like that. Cool. And then you got two figures sitting next to each other. I also make the nozzle as well, the exhaust nozzle, out of, again, paperboard and mountboard. And I have photos in Instagram, so if you want to look at the progress photos, please follow my Instagram as well. So I have two exhausts at the back, like that. Yep. Yeah, looking good. More than 50% complete at the moment, so that looking pretty good actually. Of course, I did not follow 100% on the details, but generally for all the main, details of the general shape, I follow exactly what it is on the miniature. And I'm gonna have openable doors there, but I'm not too sure what is inside. But I think it's just weapons bay, so you put guns on it perhaps, I don't know. Yeah, please let me know if you know what it is inside. Also, the one special features I've done to it is I actually built that in 3 sections. So see at the back you can actually take it out, so I use magnets to put it together. So this back part can take out, and then middle part you can take out as well, like that. So you see, these are built in 3 different portions, right? And the reason is because I can transform it into the Land Speeder Storm. So you get rid of the middle portion, and then you can do a section in between to turn it into a Land Speeder Storm. Basically, I studied the model. Apparently, the back part is basically the same, except the middle part. So I built this in 3 portions and attach it with a magnet so that I could actually transform it. So I'm going to finish the Land Speeder first before I build the middle portion to have the option of converting into a Storm Speeder. So this is pretty much where I up to at the moment, and I'm going to, hopefully I can finish it off in a month time. And including painting as well. So anyway, this will be the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, please do, because I put the latest photographs on my progress on Instagram. If you follow my channel, you know that this will be my 5th scratch build vehicle. I have built the Outrider, ATV Invader, Fire Server Turret, the Land Raider, and now the Land Speeder. And I've got more scratch build to come. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will speak to you next time. Bye for now.